Throughout history, for some reason, Democrat men have felt compelled to prove their masculinity to their regular guy voting base. Ironic as it is in this day and age of toxic masculinity, now there are new entries into the phenomenon. By now you've all seen Chuck Schumer's embarrassing failure trying to appear as just another regular guy by grilling. But apparently no one told Chuck that you grill the burger patties before finally melting the cheese on them. Which brings us to the final contestant in the game of Prove My Masculinity. Witness one Andrew Cuomo attempting to prove his masculinity by coming to the rescue of a stranded motorist and jumping the battery. But in typical fashion, this sissy cisgender Democrat makes a blatant and telling error that exposes his pathetic portrayal. Watch carefully. Did you catch it? I'll slow it down for you. There, right there, with the negative terminals already connected, this idiot goes to connect the positive terminal. Any regular guy worth his weight in automatic transmission fluid will tell you that's exactly backward. By connecting the positive terminal last, the risk of causing sparks is a real and dangerous possibility. Everyone knows that with an engine compartment where there might be leaking gasoline or gas fumes, the last thing you need is a spark. So, sorry Andrew, you don't know what you're doing. Us real men know you don't know the first thing about auto mechanics. After all, we all know you get driven around in a limo everywhere you go.